Yeah, it is.
The vehicle was recently
Stay
discovered
quiet and
abandoned,
hit me.
with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search nearby
I hated
communities
that
all
part
over
when you try to open the
Chinatown
door.
will unearth leads. Family
They
and
That
like pick
shit.
friends
lock it
are
or
That's
something.
urging anyone with
That's
information.
just cake with Connie because she has that focus shit, and you just instantly pick lock it.
Shit.
That's why. That's
Y'all
why I
be
made
quiet or
Connie
just
on
get
the.
out here already?
I always be quiet, cause Leatherface sometimes he spawns right next to you and it's
Yeah.
bullshit.
Yeah, he's already in the basement.
What?
We're together, I
You got
think.
that highlight. Yeah,
Yeah,
you got
but
that highlight shit on where you can see everything. You escape.
yeah,
Yeah.
I see three things.
I see a toolbox and a door right next to each other over here.
Oh shit, I forgot I run with LB. I gotta get new controllers tomorrow. There's a trap right here. Whatever that is. Nigga, did you go in through there? You alert them.
Nah, I crawled through it.
Hey, crawl.
Just crouched through it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, right. I didn't know you could do that.
Right here, right. Here's the door right here, Ralph.
Hold up, I don't know what this is.
I've been
Oh
getting.
shit. Oh shit.
What the hell? I've been getting jump scared in this game a lot though.
Okay. Grandpa.
Cause I be running up the stairs and they be coming
That's
like
fast.
right in front of me. You coming?
Hey, I got triple team.
Oh,
Yeah. Got a screwdriver. Oh shit. I forgot not to move. Don't move. Shit. We gotta go, we gotta go. You stupid bitch. So you get couch up. Oh yeah, you're right. Man, me.
you got executed already.
Yeah, I turned it off. And someone got killed. It's kind of fun. Don't we gotta go over here? I remember going over here.
I'm just opening this up.
I mean, I think Valer's
See,
broadcasting.
So I might do the
Yeah.
valve escape again. Cause
I'm
it's gonna be
going.
in the basement.
I could open this for now. Oh, wow! I broke the tool. I didn't have me do that.
Oh, the fuse box is right here. Do
Okay.
the fuse escape. I don't like doing the fuse escape because that door is not open long enough.
Yeah.
Gotta find the fuse. And
Need-
Grandpa's right here too.
Need another tool. I know we can knock them out and shit. Can I do the fuse?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the fuse.
I got a fuse.
Yeah, it was right here the whole time.
Yeah.
We passed it.
I need a tool.
Oh, I see. I gotta put it right here.
Shit.
I'm gonna put.
Oh, there's a dude on me.
Oh no.
Sissy's right on
I
me.
need a lock. Oh god. I in the bushes. I'm right next to Grandpa.
Sissy's coming to Grandpa.
Oh shit. Okay.
I think she's gonna feed him. Oh, damn, where the hell Leatherface come from too?
Okay, Leatherface and the. I need a box. Like open that. Oh, I might be dead. Watch out! Watch out! Hide! Hide!
This you? Oh.
Yes, hide! Hide! That alert.
I know. I'm coming around because they're both feeding.
I can heal you. You need heal?
Nah, I'm good.
How the hell she did not see you? She was right there. And the blood's right there too.
It's kind of hard to see sometimes.
Yeah, it is. It's so good. Like the game looks really good too.
Yeah. I'd be swinging in
That
bushes
reminds me
though.
of Far Cry 5. Remember the oh shit.
Yeah.
Don't run. Don't move.
You got that tool?
Someone's right next to me.
You got the screwdriver, Ralph?
I had it, but I broke it.
Oh damn! All right. Oh, I need you to drop it. You know what? We'll go find one.
Yeah, we went to find one.
Oh shit!
Fuck, I need to unlock the chick.
Man, they both right here.
Are they camping?
No, they're just staying by Grandpa.
Found another
Just keep feeding
fuse.
them.
Oh,
I
shit.
got caught.
He poisoned
I
this.
got caught. I got caught.
He
I'm jumping in the
She
wheel.
poisoned this shit.
I'm jumping in the
I'm
wheel.
probably gonna die. I'm probably gonna die. Poison this
Jumped
shit.
in the wheel. Really?
Yeah. She can put like traps on like stuff you could grab. I grabbed the fuse and she trapped that shit.
Bro, I jumped right downstairs in front of Leatherface.
Oh, I'm so dead. Oh, go to the Alright, I didn't go where you're at.
Ass.
We need to find other shit. We need to get more shit. I got 2 fuses. Is there where I could drop them?
You have to pick something else up to drop it. Dude, he is on my ass right now. They're all on my ass. I'm so dead.
Yeah, you gotta do something. I could probably go after Grandpa real fast if he's somebody right here. I think they're feeding Grandpa. I don't know.
I don't know. Are they really there?
I heard level police.
Bro, Sissy, I hate when she's in the basement because she can literally go everywhere you go.
Oh, I can't even hit Grandpa. I guess I'm like something else. Okay, I picked something else. I need like a tool. I need to go back. I think I need to go back to the basement.
Bro, they're all 3 in the fucking basement.
Never mind. I don't think I want to be in the
Who
basement.
does this, man? I'm dead. Bro, why all 3 in the basement? This is stupid.
Wait, I can swap the valve? Damn.
Well,
Nigga, I'm so dead.
you got time.
What the
You got
fuck?
time to do shit because they all in the basement right now.
Oh, God. Is that your body? I'm so dead.
Shit, there they are.
Just a touch, and
She's on your ass.
No, I'm gonna go.
God damn. Jump in the wheel. Jump in the wheel.
Okay. Yeah, you get. That's why. Damn. All right, let's do family.
You're gonna.
don't be scared.
Yeah.
Good game and shit.
The town of Newt, the vehicle was
I'm a
recently
dillo.
discovered abandoned, with officials
So you
reporting
gotta keep
no
the generators
signs of
on
foul
because
play.
that's what has
Authorities
electricity,
are hopeful
right?
that the expanded search,
That's what happened to me and Corey.
will unearth new leads.
They just like all 3 of them escaped right there. Hey.
I remember when they first saw it, I thought this would be way gory. They gonna say
Yeah,
cut
it's
in
kind
half.
of cheesy, but
Yeah. I mean, I get it. You can't show more stuff, kind of. Got some blood. My max is 100. Damn,
they
that was
escaped
fast.
already? Damn.
They already got out, is that what that means?
Oh, come. Yeah,
see
that
one.
means somebody escaped.
Yep, right there.
Got 2 on me right now.
They're just down there.
Oh, he went through the crack.
Nobody's gonna be upstairs right now. He's supposed to be outside.
I like Leatherface. You can just sprint with him constantly. Like, he can just constantly sprint,
Yeah.
not really get tired.
I'm gonna get 100 and I'm gonna feed Grandpa. I can see him down there. Already doing shit, you know?
Yeah, there's still people down here.
Yeah, it takes
I'm
a
just
minute
closing some,
where they live. Get out.
closing some obstacles.
I'm gonna put a padlock on this door.
Oh, he's escaping. Oh, that's Sissy. Never mind.
Yeah,
Oh, why
I
is
kind of
this
hate
kid
that.
down
Yeah, they look like when you first play, you think you see like you think you see the other players, bro, but no, it's just us. This is weird. It's like weird having
Yeah.
like I'm gonna go ahead and lock the main doors so they try not to get out. Put that padlock on me.
The dude is still down here. He keeps fucking going
You
through
see?
obstacles.
Oh yeah, yeah, I see already. Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
Sissy's
what the
executing
fuck?
somebody.
I see that. Oh, there's another one. Are they outside?
Oh, someone. He's trying
He's
to
like
help her.
watching.
He took-
I'm dead.
Oh, I don't know how I took the kill. What the hell? She was executing, but I took the kill somehow.
The fuck?
That shit is so fucking nasty.
Yeah, it's brutal.
Alright. The other person ran somewhere. Where did she run off to?
Alright, padlock the roof.
Oh, I see him. I'm gonna feed Grandpa real quick.
Alright, it's going around. I'm gonna... Come here, bitch, start running. Missing my
She
kill.
jumped in the well. Wow.
Chasing
Alright.
this one bitch.
I'm gonna go back down to the basement.
Hit her twice. Come here, bitch, start running. Here, I'm gonna for you. Yep, there's where she is. Oh, there's two of them. There's one back there too.
And they both in the basement? Or they go back
No,
upstairs already?
he keeps on going around. I need to destroy this shit. Damn, Grandpa's already level 3.
Alright, I'll come back upstairs.
Oh, she coming to the well now?
Again?
Yeah. One,
Alright.
that's a different bitch. She jumped to the well. Alrighty, go downstairs. Go
Oh, yeah,
downstairs.
Alright, yeah, I'm destroying the door real quick.
Here, I can put her. Right there.
I see him, I see him.
Yeah. I'm going to get some blood.
Chasing him.
Alright.
Oh, my chainsaw stalled. God damn it.
Oh yeah, I remember if you like hold down and to run with it, make the noise, and then it gets to a point where you can chase him super fast or something like that. I think that's how it works.
Yeah,
But yeah,
he just
hard-
ran back
yeah.
upstairs.
Alright.
Right, he's in the front door. Front yard, I mean.
Alright.
Right on me. Oh yeah, you wanna corner him with me, Rob? I got him cornered right here.
Really? Front door?
Side garden.
Where?
Side garden right here. Right
Oh.
outside the door.
Oh, okay. In the front, yeah.
I don't know where the hell he just went.
Car probably. Are they moving?
Oh, but I'm glad I'm watching my stream because I can see him.
I'm
Hello.
moving.
He's running. He's running back to.
Alright.
He's jumping in the well. He jumped in the well.
Oh, okay.
Okay, he jumped in the well. But yeah, he's incapacitated though. Down in the basement. Yeah.
Coming down there, he
What the hell?
Alright, lock.
He,
Oh,
he
yeah,
was just
there you
sitting on the corner. He stunned me
Okay.
though.
Oh, so they're out already. I got 2 minutes. Safe and secure. Uh oh. Why did I open the door like that? That looks retarded. Oh, there they are. Are they climbing?
Trying
Ladder.
to get his ass.
I'm going the other side.
Trying to juke my ass on this go.
I see him. Yeah, I got one. There you go. You going, bitch?
Thought you could escape me?
Hit him twice. I'm running. Damn. Nice. You run outside. Yeah, get his ass.
Oh, somebody go through here?
Damn! Oh, he went to the well. He's down there again.
Someone to the well. Alright.
Yeah. I had a padlock for this.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Let's go around. Purple's over there. Need more blood. Oh, I hear somebody.
Dead
I think I heard somebody or me. Alright. Alright, I should be able to. Yep, we grandpa now.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
Alright. Damn, they ain't moved. They had to be down there still, though. Somewhere.
I'm gonna go upstairs so I can feed.
You're outside, right? Yeah.
Me?
I'm up here in the house. I know, they had outside, yep. I seen one bitch running. It's over here. Fucker. Right here.
Feed Grandpa with some blood real quick. There you go, Grandpa. Take that blood.
Where you going, girl?
Chasing somebody?
I'm gonna go ahead and pet
Yeah.
like this.
Make sure
Oh.
your back's all healthy.
Alright, bitch.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah.
What the hell?
She's over here.
Oh, okay, let me come with you.
You need to, you need to break that part. I'm about to go around.
It's not
Can I
open
hear it?
yet.
Oh, someone to her left. I think someone's in the
I'll lock
basement.
it back. Alright, I locked it. Where's he at?
Somewhere. She went down there somewhere.
Oh, I think I see him in the flowers.
Okay.
I think I saw someone moving.
Oh.
Sunflowers. Oh shit. Here, check on that generator, cause I think
That generator.
I don't think the generator's activated.
I might not be. Yeah, she definitely went back this.
Okay, it's locked. Is the
No, I think that's
generator
open. It's
for
green.
the battery? Oh, it's
Alright.
not. The battery's not turned on.
Yeah, turn it on.
Man, we should put a trap
Alright.
for this.
Coming. Oh yeah, I seen him.
I was activating that deal. I'm coming.
I don't know where that one bitch went. Yo.
You get like a really good sprint boost too if you like almost stall your
Yeah.
chainsaw.
I'm gonna stay over here because I know this bitch is over here somewhere.
I'm gonna lock this door. Hey, who just shut this door? One of y'all. Oh, what you doing, Kenny? What you doing? Oh, that was insta kill? Why was it insta kill?
Damn. Oh, yep. I found her. I knew it. She's over here still fighting. Come here, bitch.
He was just coming up the stairs and got him one time. Alright.
She's back over here, Ballard. Yeah, she was
Where?
camping over here with the trap. Remember?
Oh.
She's running. Yeah, there she is. Come here, bitch.
Come.
I'm over or something. Oh, she went to the well. She went to the well.
Wow. Here, I'll go downstairs since I'm already by the door.
Alright. Make sure you grandpa. Let me make sure.
I see her. I see her. I see her.
Very good. I don't think she. Yeah, it's close. He didn't turn it off. What's the other dude at? Oh, there's somebody down there. I think she's the one opening those doors.
No, that's me slamming the doors.
Oh, okay.
She's down here somewhere. I found her. It's Connie. Come here, Connie.
Yeah. Nice.
That should be one left.
Mr. Grandpa. I got him. I'll see him. He left for real. I'm dead, bruh.
Who left?
Oh,
No, I think he
over
disconnected because he died.
right here. Oh no. I think that means he was somewhere around here. It marks the generator for me.
He underneath me? I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's on. I think he was over here. I think he was trying to turn it off. It made
I'd go
me
check on that car battery.
Yeah, I'm gonna go over there. So other shit. Oh.
Alright, good.
Oh no, maybe I'm marking because I'm close to it and it's loud. I think that's what it is. I'm gonna go back over here though. I'm gonna go back to that one shit. Actually, let me see Grandpa. He might be all the way back there turning off the one thing. Hey, Grandpa. Gotta make my way over there. This way. Go my right. Hey, stay right here. I'm going my right. There you go. I think he is back here. Oh, not you. Here, I got this. You go check the basement and anywhere else.
I don't
Yeah,
think
stay
they're in the
close.
basement. I think.
Oh, is that what? Okay.
Like
yeah, my shit
top
was right
floor
there,
upstairs or like mid floor? Oh, he's outside.
That him? Wait, is he behind me? I think I saw him. I think he's over here.
We need to check this exit. This is the. Oh wait, Corey's guarding it. That's the exit they got us in last round.
Might be hiding. Okay, man. He has to be hiding.
Well, check the bushes. Generator's still turned on.
I gotta go fucking around.
Oh, he's right here, right here. Corey, he's coming right to you. He's running right to you, Corey.
Oh shit.
Get in the head.
Yeah. I got him. Oh, I see him. You didn't open anything, right? He's not escaping,
He
right?
ain't got nowhere to go. He ain't got nowhere to go. Oh my
I'm
shit!
dead.
Oh, never mind. What the? It stalled, but it let me.
Yeah, I see you in the distance. Damn. I didn't get one kill.
I gotta get an achievement for that. I executed everybody. There's gotta be an achievement
Yeah.
for that.
Damn, everybody.
Yeah, it is. I got it. Mine, all mine. Execute all 4 victims in a single.
Damn,
Let's get it.
2,450. Yeah, okay. I know they're mad. Next match. It was in the house sale the whole time.
I didn't get that much XP for that.
Ain't gonna lie, you can pretty much cheese the fuck out of this. All I gotta do is be on the main out like the exits and shit, just camping pretty much like around the area.
Kinda. You still have to.
Kinda,
They can
yeah.
run past you.
But you just gotta make
Be
moves.
quiet. Don't just spam that shit when you're escaping.
I hear him already.
Who's Anna?
Nigga, I hear him already. I hear someone dying already.
No,
Oh, I
that's,
know. I think that's
the,
them
that's
killed,
the
right?
cutscene.
Yeah.
That's the cutscene.
I forgot about that.
Where am I? I can get through.
My back.
You can do this.
We're gonna have to play this shit smart.
Hell yeah. I think I'm going towards him actually now I think about it.
Alright.
I can use that.
Toolbox already. Let's go.
That's what I'm trying to do.
The door's right next to me. I hear his ass already.
How the hell did nobody? Oh god, I hear him.
Stop saying my name.
Oh god. I'm freaking do that shit.
I should keep this.
Hey, where's the door? There's the door.
Where's this going?
Getting out of here. I'm scared.
Oh god.
That nigga ran right by me. That nigga ran right by me.
Okay, I'm gone. I'm gone.
This thing woke up Grandpa. That was fast.
Fuck you, I'm leaving.
Oh yeah. Stop moving. I forgot I got it. Stop moving.
Yeah.
I need a tool.
This
I
might
can hear this bitch
lead to
singing.
the others.
Yeah.
Shit! I got the fuse, fuck you.
Okay. Alright, I got a tool. Man, I think I remember seeing Lily.
Hey, yo! How the fuck is she on me, dude? I'm going back to the basement.
Oh, I think we got escaped from the basement too.
I got the fuse, but
Yeah,
I'm
we
back
need a
in the
fuse box for
basement.
it, yeah. Yeah, we need a fuse for the... Where's the thing at? I'm trying to find it.
Come on. I gotta find something I can use.
I could probably open it and then you put the fuse in there.
Yeah, I might need you to open it.
Ooh.
Put the fuse in.
Nigga, why did you bring his ass over here?
What the hell is that noise?
What happens if you retire bone scrap? What does that do?
If you,
Points?
if you get bone scrap?
Yeah, something about bone scrap, yeah.
Yeah, you can use it to incapacitate Grandpa. You can use it to like disarm.
Oh, that's
traps.
what's for?
You
Oh
can-
shit.
Yeah. You like pour it. in
Oh
his
yeah,
mouth.
you're right, you're right. Oh shit, I may do that. Oh god, I heard, what's her name?
Are they just waiting by the exit?
I think they're down here, right? That's what they're in.
Oh, I'm good. I'm good. He just left the
That's
front
good.
door. Oh, they both going out the front door.
Good, Josh.
Bro, they're all just upstairs. I can't do shit.
Let's just go downstairs. You got a fuse. You have to do
Oh,
something.
I'm trying to go to. I'm going back to the basement.
Go to the well or something.
I had to go back to the well. This retarded.
Oh my god, I heard you. Hurry up. But that means they're coming down here. We gotta hurry up. Where's the thing at?
I gotta get some help.
Where's the fuse shit?
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, they're definitely coming. They're definitely coming.
Leland. Thank goodness you're still here.
Where's the fuse thing at though? That's what I'm confused about.
It's upstairs.
Oh, we gotta go upstairs and do it. But down
Yeah,
here.
the fuse is upstairs, but the exit for the fuse is downstairs. So you have to go upstairs.
This should help.
Oh,
stop
okay.
the bleeding.
Alright, gotta keep still.
Yeah, I gotta unlock a tool and the fuse.
Damn, who didn't keep still?
The dude upstairs.
They'll be
Nope.
back.
Phew.
I'm sure of it.
Okay, we just gotta do a different exit to kind of throw
Yeah.
them off.
I'm gonna go up there. So.
Please don't hear me. Please.
What the fuck was that noise?
What was that?
That shit was so loud. What was that
Where'd you
you?
escape the basement from?
You escaped the basement? Oh shit.
I just saw you escape the basement from, but from where?
Yeah, but how do you escape it?
What?
Wait, was that the random?
No, never mind.
Oh wait, did somebody? It didn't say somebody escaped? I'm confused.
It said you escaped
How did I escape? I didn't escape.
from the basement.
Oh, the door is open.
Oh no, I thought you went through a different door.
Yeah. I think they
We're
opened
all
it.
together right now.
I about to say I escaped. The fuck?
This cook has heard you. Great.
I'm gone, bitch. Never mind. She closed the door. They could get down. I'm so dead.
Right here.
I'm sorry, nigga. I'm sorry.
Sissy's downstairs. Move.
Run, nigga, run. I'm sorry, I had to run.
Oh my god, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Crawl through the fucking deal. Crawl through. I'm dead. Oh
The
my.
only way you can save. Oh god. Run, nigga, run. Oh shit. I had to go right there. Oh shit.
Why is this shit so hard today? This shit's being like this game is hard
run.
today for no reason.
This shit is scary, bro. Fuck. This shit is so scary.
Alright, hold on. You got go through that door. Just go upstairs because you have it. They're all downstairs.
Oh shit. Okay.
Go to Grandpa and incapacitate him since you have bone scrap on you. Because he's level 2, Corey.
Ah,
Oh,
fuck.
they know where
Well,
you're
yeah, I'm dead.
That
Oh, I'm so dead.
you got highlighted, yeah. Go to that shed behind you. There might be
Oh, what the hell?
a valve in
bitch.
there. Yeah, there might be a valve or something in there you can use.
Okay, yeah, I'm dead.
See what that is.
Oh my god, my back.
That just goes back to the basement.
All right, I'm dead. Bro, I
Walk
tried
right by
to.
the-
Bro, I was trying to go
they're coming
upstairs,
after
like,
you.
couldn't. Nigga, I couldn't go up there. They were just camping everything. This shit is so gay, bro. Fucking hard being a victim.
Lately it has been hard. I don't know why.
Just having 3 killers is just so difficult.
I think you're about to die. Ain't that your the heart's too low? Unless it's something else, I don't know. I don't know how the fuck they don't see you.
That just means he's like pumping. He's pumping blood slower, so he's not losing as much blood. Because you constantly lose blood in this game as a victim.
Yeah, because you.
And if you're running, you lose. Yeah. There's no way she doesn't know you're right there. They're just gonna keep feeding Grandpa. You need to go incapacitate him. She sees your ass. She sees your ass.
Yeah, there's no way, bro. She has to see. She's probably here.
Hey, she's probably waiting for backup. She probably sees you, but
yeah,
she's probably waiting for backup. She's smiling at you. She sees your ass.
Yep.
She sees your ass.
Damn.
I told you.
Oh, fight back. Yeah. I remember, like, I won the fight, and I hit that bitch so...
You should have jumped down the well.
Stay calm.
The well's behind you.
Oh, you sprint. You sprint. Yeah, you did.
I have to stop the bleeding.
Like I just said casually, I gotta stop the bleeding.
I like that. I like that.
What the fuck? I like that. Damn.
I like that. I like that.
Yep.
I am sorry. It had to
I think, did you die from Leatherface too, brother?
No, I died from Sissy.
Also different.
Family and friends are
But I was escaping like 3 games in a row yesterday. What's going on? I'm just gonna spam it. I'm gonna bust out of here real quick.
What?
Oh, there's a toolbox right in front of me too.
I don't know what this is. It might work on
And then
these
there's a door
doors.
right to my right. I'm escaping. I hear him. I'm running. I hear his ass.
Okay, Grandpa already woke. That was fast.
All right.
Oh god. I think I'm forgetting when he woke up. You gotta stay still.
Shut the door, shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. Climb the ladder, climb the ladder, climb the ladder, climb the fucking ladder. Yeah, bitch. Ew, you slicing at my ankles and I'm on that ladder. Holy
Keep
shit.
moving, Connie.
Alright, I can probably knock out Grandpa.
Alright. We working.
Oh, I see.
Okay, I found a
See
fuse.
toolbox.
I found a fuse. Fuse box is... Oh, fuse box is just over there.
Oh, for that, dude. I'm gone.
Oh, yes. A shortcut.
Toolbox.
I might be dead. I'm hiding, bro. I'm fucking hiding. Oh, okay, so he's kicking. Thanks, Brent.
How did he not see me?
Can I not be in here that long?
In the ice chest?
In the hiding space?
If it's a freezer, you'll freeze to death.
I
Stay in
don't
there.
know.
Your screen will turn white though. Anybody got a tool on them right now and they're not in the
I
basement?
just got a knife. We were here, but I don't think
Me
I'll be able to get this shit.
You said a knife.
Mm-hmm.
Like a screwdriver?
Oh, I just got a knife.
What the hell you got a knife?
From the thing. The bone shit.
As a victim? Oh, a bone scrap. Oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah. Okay, now I got screwdriver.
Right on my ad. You should meet me
Oh.
over here, Ralph. The
Oh, where
facility
you
back
at?
door. It's like right next to Grandpa to the right.
Fuck, I got padlocked this. Hold on.
Leatherface is right on me though. I'm trying to wait.
I hear this. Is he coming down? Oh, I think he's coming downstairs. I don't know. Okay, maybe not.
Ooh, who's Anna? Who's in the blue shirt? It is Corey.
Alright.
Corey, you got a screwdriver? Or are you getting chased? Never mind. Don't come near me.
After I'm done with you, that is.
I'm going up. Oh, hey, how you doing?
Don't you worry about that.
Look, I need a
Oh,
screwdriver.
I'm dead.
Damn,
Oh,
I
I
just
did
want
not
to
mean
get
to do that. Yeah, I did not mean to do that. I'm dead. I did not mean to hit RT on him. I thought I was gonna push him.
You had one job.
Yeah, I'm dead. He grabbed my head and put my face into it. I hate this game. There's all three of them right there too.
Are they really
I know. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I hate
They
this game, bro. You just
sealed
die
off all
so
the cross
fucking
spaces.
easily. You just make one mistake and boom, you're dead. Stay still. I gotta get better at it. I like being delivered with. Oh my god. No way.
How do you not see me?
No
How do
way.
you not see me?
I saw that shit.
They shut the door? Oh, they didn't shut the door. I can grab it with a screwdriver.
Okay. Okay. You got
Oh
this.
shit, he heard you. He knows where you're at.
I don't think so. Talking about me?
Yeah, it said on there the cook has heard you. So they know you're in the
Oh,
basement.
I didn't see that for mine.
Come on. I gotta find something.
I just need a screwdriver and I'm using that fuse box, man.
Oh shit.
My neck.
Heard that cook.
Who's next to me?
Nobody's next to you. Gotta grab that box.
As soon as I
Oh,
see
it says,
him, I will.
Johnny found your footsteps.
It's not telling me that. What the hell?
I see it. You don't see it on the right.
No, it's not telling me that.
That's weird.
Oh shit.
Maybe it
Oh,
doesn't
shit.
tell
Come
you.
on, grab it. Grab it. Come on, please grab it.
Whoa, in your butt.
I think I'm good. I think I'm good.
No, you're racist. Damn, I heard that.
I don't know what the hell that noise was, but I'm not sticking around to find
Let me see. Oh, he died, and that's what it was.
Of course.
Damn. I feel bad for my dude. Yeah, you another dude left. Oh, keep still.
Okay, I'm good. I got the screwdriver and a fuse. I'm good.
Yeah, you need to get the fuck
And I
out,
just
bro.
gotta, I just gotta do it and then just
Go up there and
pretend
come
they
back
have
down, right? Yeah. Damn, I made him at the level 2. Never mind.
basically. Yeah.
I think the good thing is too is not spam him. Only use him like once and you won't see nobody, then wait a little bit, then do
All
it.
these people.
Unless they're just trying to get him max.
That too. Oh yeah, if you can, yeah, I forgot. If you give him the max, then nowhere to hide or something. Oh shit.
Oh, the pressure gate's open.
Yep, he opened it.
Oh, I can make it. I can make it. You know what? I
Wait,
can make
nigga.
it. I can make it.
What the? He just sat there.
I can make it, bro. I can fucking make that.
I get so dead.
I can make it, bro. I can fucking make that.
No way. Oh wow, he actually
Bro,
didn't
I
make it.
don't know.
Lucky bitch.
I don't know who opened it. Who opened
I
it
think
for
he
me?
did. He was outside. He must have opened it.
Because the pressure gate on this map's in the basement. The Phantom must have opened it for me. Damn, I
Yeah.
left him hanging too. I said, fuck it, and I dipped.
And you actually gotta be right there. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Just to escape. I heard someone behind him. Yep, they see him. Run, nigga. Oh, he closed it. Damn, he closed it. This nigga's
Man, I
so
feel
dead.
bad now.
He trying to close it.
So dead.
He has to run down there.
He fucking dead. He
Damn.
dead.
Is he dead? Yeah. Cover. I think he made it. He had a healing potion. He had 2 of them. Damn, I already hear him down there. Holy shit. Yeah, that nigga dead. That nigga dead. He made it there so fast. Yeah, okay, now he's making too much noise. I'm just trying to run away from nigga real life. Johnny found his footsteps. You see it now? Yeah, that's locked.
Nah, I still don't see it.
Over here. Go ahead and turn off that shit, then get out. Oh shit. You can probably still win.
Still here.
Oh yeah, he's going that way. I think he has unlocked that, doesn't he? Good. Bruh. He sees him. Ain't no way.
How's he still alive?
Damn, there goes my
Whose body
body.
is that?
That's mine. Gang up on me. That shit made it like more fucked up. Like at the end, like after like the you see him going around, you can just see him in the having dinner. You can see your head or some shit like that. Your limbs get all eaten apart. That'd be more fucked up. That'd be funny as fuck if they did that though.
I don't understand what he's trying to do.
I think he's trying to. Oh damn. Yeah, he's dead.
'Cause the
I think
Dill's in the
honestly they're
basement.
camping it. That's
Oh,
what
he's
it
grabbing
is.
the fuse.
Yeah.
He's going the fuse way. Man, juking him. Man, juking him.
Yeah. Here's another health shit too. That's I ain't gonna lie, that well was kind of broken.
Kinda.
Yeah.
I lost him. Just go away.
Right, he's already down there. Yeah, he's already down there.
Shut the door.
I mean, he's dead. He's like exactly what that. He's gonna bleed out
He
actually.
dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
Damn. I think.